part we see and see if we have a root word. So if I cover up the CI part, CRU, is that a root word? No. Let's cover up this part. Do I have a root word? No. Cover up the TI. Root word, more? No. Root word? No. Here, root word? No. Root word? No. So no, it's not a suffix. Alright? What else could it be? It's at the end of a word. A final stable syllable. Alright, the other day we learned 2 new final stable syllables. T-I-O-U-S and C-I-O-U-S. Like in nutritious and delicious, right? We did. Alright, we discovered that the letters T-I and C-I sometimes make an unusual sound. What sound is it making? Nutritious, delicious. What do you hear at the beginning? Shh, that's right. It's making the shh sound. Alright, so the same thing is happening in these words. T-I and C-I are making the shh sound. Alright, you may also find that sometimes S-I can say shh. Alright, there are several other final stable syllables besides these. But these are all final stable syllables. So let's look at them and see all the final stable syllables we can find. Alright, so we said both of these have C-I, right? So let's see what we have. So this is C-I-A-L. Alright, this is C-I-E-N-T. Alright, here we have T-I, T-I. So let's see what we have. T-I-A-N, T-I-E-N-T. Alright, let's go to this one. Here we have S-I, S-I. So we go from the S-I, right? So S-I-A-L, S-I-A-N in all of these. Alright, we know that when we have a final stable syllable, where is the accent at? On the syllable before it. So let's put all those in. And then we can go back in and try to code. Alright. Now let's look. Let's go to this first word. Alright, what do you see? Now we need a K back. We've got a vowel that is open and accented. It will be long. Alright, watch Miss Fire sound it out. Crucial. This word is crucial. What word, guys? Crucial. Crucial means very important. It is crucial for us to drink water. Crucial. Alright, the next word, we have combination AR. Now, Martian. Put it together. Martian. What word? Martian. A Martian is a person who lives on Mars. Martian. Alright, next word. Woo, guys, this is a big word. Are you going to help me? You will, I hope so. All right, we see lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of vowels. All right, here we go. vowel, vowel, vowel. So how many syllables in this part? 3. Alright, so in between we have a consonant, 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 consonant. Alright. So, it's time for Miss Fires to divide. If it is vowel, consonant, 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 vowel, do you remember where we divide? You divide between the consonants that are not connected. Alright, so in this word, TR is a blend that goes together. So I can't divide between TR. So I've got to divide here. Alright, now we've got vowel, consonant, vowel here. Alright. Where am I going to divide, guys? After your vowel. Alright, my vowel is... What do you want to say? Let's try long. Alright, we'll see. Alright, vowel followed by consonant is short. Alright, when we start sounding it out, okay, back. On, con, t, tro, shul. Controversial. Controversial? Have you ever heard of that word? Remember, sometimes that O can say the schwa sound, so let's try that. Alright. On, controversial. Controversial. Does that make sense? Controversial? Yes. Alright, so this should be schwa sound. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, we have 2 vowels with 2 consonants in between it. Where do I divide? Between my 2 consonants. Vowel followed by consonant is short. And we learned that I is going to be short, even in an open syllable like that. So let's sound it out. Efficient. Efficient. What word? Efficient. If it's running properly, it's efficient. Our next word. Vowel that is open and accented is long. Patient. What word? Patient. I will patiently wait, or you can be a patient at a doctor's office. Patient. And the next one we have combination ER. Persian. Persian. The Persian cat is beautiful. Persian. All right. Alright, that's it. No more practicing with that one. Let's go to your practice page. I was thinking there was more. Alright, so then they're going to make us practice spelling and just identifying the words when we see them. So turn to your page to practice. All right, number 1, do you see a final stable syllable with C-I, S-I, or T-I? All right, C-I, what is it? C-I-A-N. Shun. Shun is what it says. Accent is on the syllable in front of it. All right, now how do I code? There are 2 vowels, so code your 2 vowels. How many consonants are between it? One. There's 1 in between it. All right, where do we divide? All right, you divide after the vowel. All right, now, you notice your accent is over here. So if your accent is over here, is it going to be a long vowel sound? No, it's not going to make a long vowel sound. Usually, what is it going to be? Schwa sound. So let's try it as a schwa sound. All right, and then you have the I at the end of the syllable. We learned that that I is going to be short. All right, there's not many vowels that happens with, but I is one of them. Now let's try to sound that word out. It's going to say because it's schwa. Oh, we forgot our dot on our G because it's G-I, J. Try it again. Magician. Magician. What word? Magician. We saw the magician do a trick. Magician. All right, number 2. Do you see a final stable syllable? We have a T-I one, T-I-E-N-T. Your accent will be on the syllable before it. All right, what else can we code? Combination Q-U, sticks like glue. Now we have O that is open and accented. It's going to say its name, so put the macron on it. Let's sound it out. Quotient. Quotient. What word? Quotient. You will learn about a quotient next year in math. Quotient. Number 3. Do you see a final stable syllable? C-I-A-L. Accent is on the syllable before it. All right, what else do we need to code? K back on the C. All right, that U is open and accented. Macron is long. Now we can sound it out. Crucial. 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 Number 4. Final stable syllable what? T-I-A-L. Accent is on the first or the syllable ahead of it. Alright. Now what do you see? 2 vowels. In between them we have how many consonants? 1. So we have VCV pattern. Where do we divide? After the vowel. After the vowel. All right. Now, you notice our accent is not on this vowel. So it is going to make the schwa sound. So put your schwa symbol there. It's only when it's open and accented is it long. Right now, we have a vowel followed by a consonant. It is short. Sound it out. Potential. Put it together. Potential. What word? Potential. You have the potential to do well. Potential. Number 5. What's your final stable syllable? C-I-A-N. Accents on the syllable before it. How many vowels? 2. Label them. You have 2 consonants in between. So where will we divide? Between the 2 consonants. Alright, vowel followed by a consonant is short. Alright, you've got an I. This at the end of a syllable, but it is I. So what did we say would happen there? It's short. So let's sound it out. Optician. Optician. What word? Optician. Number 6. What final stable syllable? C-I-A-N. Accent on the syllable before it. How many vowels in this one? 3. Label them. So you have vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, 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 vowel. Big pattern. Right in the first one, where will we divide? After your vowel. Alright. Now we've got vowel, consonant, 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 We divide between the consonant that is not connected. So we've got C, T, and R. All right, now, TR blends together to make tr, so we can't divide between that one. So we divide between the C and the T. Alright, now let's code this one. Ooh, lots of things to do in this one. Alright, E, all by itself. Long. K back on our C. Vowel followed by consonant is short. I at the end of a syllable, even though it's open and accented, is short. We've had a lot of that with these final stable syllables. Alright, we can sound it out now. E, U, ek, elect, tr, e, electrician. Electrician. Put that big word together. Electrician. An electrician is a person who works with electricity. That's the person who gets your lights going. Electrician. All right, let's read this morning. Giraffes are the tallest of all animals. Giraffes can grow over 17 feet tall. Most giraffes have 3 horns that have skin covering them. There are 2 horns on top of the head and 1 between the eyes. Giraffes can hide well because they match the trees around them. They have long tongues they use to pluck the leaves from trees. Number 7, how many horns do giraffes have? Your choices are 3, 1, or 2. Underline it and bubble it in. It says most giraffes have 3 horns that have skin covering them. So 3. Number 8, what do giraffes use their tongues for? Find it and write your answer. They have long tongues they use to pluck the leaves from the tree. So what do they use their tongues for? To pluck leaves from trees. Number 9, giraffes giraffes are short animals. True or false? Alright, the passage tells you right at the beginning, giraffes are the tallest of all animals. So are they short animals? False. They're the tallest. Alright, you're going to turn your paper over. Alright, do your best at decoding these. I know it may be hard to code them, but at least try to sound them out and read these words to someone at home. Make sure you can read the passage and answer the questions. You can upload a picture for me if you would like me to check it. The most important thing, even if you can't code them, is that you can read these words to someone, okay? So make sure you're practicing reading these words to someone. All right, do your very best work. Don't forget to practice spelling your spelling words, okay? You can either practice with someone at home or practice on Spelling City. You can always go back and practice any of your decodable readers. That will help you be a better reader as well. But just keep practicing, okay? The more you practice, the better you'll be at reading. All right, do your best work.